How to use Aweber full tutorial for beginners. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online business. So please consider subscribing. So let's get back to Aweber. So again guys, Aweber is a free it's a free trial for Aweber. Aweber is basically a free email marketing tool. It's not free, but for the first month it's free and it's very easy to use. And if you check the link in the bio, I have a 20% discount and it's really amazing. It's really simple to use. It's an email marketing solution. So guys, let's begin. All you have to do is join the free trial, click the link below, and then once you have signed up, then log in with your username and email ID. So once you are inside, so this is how your dashboard looks. So these are your active subscribers, this is your recently broadcast email, and these are my list. It's very easy to use guys, very easy. You need to create your own list. So I have created, so let's say manage list. So first thing is you need to create a list. So I've already created a list, and then it's very easy to use. You can create a sign up form. There are a lot of forms. If I click on preview, so just click on preview. So yeah, this is how my form looks right now. So if someone types their email ID, name and email ID, they would automatically be subscribed to my email list. And then once that's done, so to create a sign up form, very easy. And then all you have to do is click on follow up series. So I'll just click on follow up series, and then you could say drag and drop builder. So you can create follow up series. So whoever has joined your list, you could start sending them emails. So you can start creating emails and start sending it to them. It's very easy. I can show you one example right now. So let's say I would go to my list and I would go on follow up series. So these are my follow up series for one of my list. So free guide, article, how to lose fat, how to get in shape. And as you could see, it has a lot of open rates. So once it's an automatic process. Once someone subscribes, and you could just start sending them email, and that's it. So you could see send immediately, send after 2 days, send after 2 days, send after 2 days, send after 2 days. You could start automatically sending them. And one of the reasons I would say Aweber is a kick-ass for email marketing, because it's very easy to use. They love affiliate marketing. If you see other email marketing platforms like MailChimp, or there are a lot, they hate affiliate marketings, and this is one of the easiest ways to make money. And then they give you super detailed statistics. And the only downside is it's a little bit expensive, but it's worth every penny. Because again, if I show you Aweber, so if I just go on reports, it shows me how many people have clicked, how many follow-ups, everything is over. Your list opens over time. You could see how many clicks are, so you could see the clicks, how many people open my email, everything is there. So it gives a detailed reporting, very easy and simple to use. So I would always highly suggest using Aweber, the best email marketing solution. And this is what I use on my website as well. If you go on yavarkhan.com, so you could see over here. And then guys, I've also created a free crash course on how to create an online brand. So if you know, so this one, so I explain you, it's a free crash course. You could join right now. The link is down below. So this is a free course I'm offering, and that's it guys. And it's very simple and easy to use. And thank you for watching. And if you really like the video, just consider subscribing, and also don't forget to watch the course. Thank you so much.